Hey you, if you own a car, you can't be scared forever. Today is the day. After watching this video, take action. Just stay with me and I'll help you crush your fear and tend like a pro. Let's do it together. The very first and most essential step before tint installation is cleaning. Use water with soap and a plastic brush to clean it well. The tools you need: a spray bottle with water and soap, a plastic squeegee, and a sharp cutter blade. With these, you can tint all your car windows. Now it's time to shape the tint film from the outside. The key point is, keep the protective plastic layer facing you. If you place it the other way, it will be reversed when installed inside. Trim the excess tint film as shown in the video, and make sure your blade is sharp for this step. Pay attention to the small details I do in the video, like rounding the corners, so the film won't catch on the edges after installation. If you enjoyed my tutorial, it motivates me. Subscribe to my channel, even just for the love of it. Hey buddy, you're reaching your goal. By now, you're no longer a beginner, you're practically a pro and can tint all your car windows. I've set up a playlist for you. Check it out and level up even more. After placing the film inside and installing it at the top, carefully check from both outside and inside to make sure it's properly aligned. Then use the squeegee. If you enjoyed my tutorial, it motivates me. Subscribe to my channel, even just for the love of it. I have a tool called a fan jet that I use to clean water around the edges. You don't need to get this tool yourself, as it's not very necessary. Just like that, you'll become a pro. Hit the subscribe button, buddy.